What's up everyone, here is a Acer Travlemate 214-52 Core i5 10th generation laptop. Today I will show how to open this laptop, and today I will share a most important thing about this laptop. Definitely you have to know before you purchase this laptop. Okay, let's start. You can see here is a rubber backside on the laptop. You do not need to open this rubber because here is no hidden screw. Okay, now let's talk about this circuit, laptop circuit. This is the hard disk and this one is laptop battery. This is the very big point about this laptop. Okay, you can see how long this battery. This is very heavy ampere. Here is a battery rating. You can see 15.4 volt and 3550 milliampere watt, 54 watt. Most outside is this hard disk. When we purchase this laptop, we get this hard disk, Barbatem BI550. This hard disk is very bad quality hard disk. If you exchange this hard disk, definitely you do. This one is not good. This hard disk maximum time it's gone damaged before we purchase 2 or 3 laptop for our office, but that hard disk performance is very bad. That's why we purchased this another hard disk. You can see this hard disk is Teuton, is pen made. This one is very good quality hard disk. If you can purchase this type of hard disk, definitely you do. And definitely about this hard disk, this laptop outside is this here, this one. This hard disk quality is very poor. Okay,